Phantom Wallet installation. How to install Phantom Wallet extension on Chrome. First, you need to visit Chrome Web Store. Then you need to search Phantom. Then click on Phantom and then click on Add to Chrome. Let's do it. First, I will go to Chrome Web Store. Then I will search Phantom in the search bar. Then I will click on Phantom. After that, I will click on Add to Chrome for downloading extension. It will take a couple of seconds to download. Then click on Phantom Wallet extension to create wallet. Click on Create a new wallet. Then continue with email. Select Google to continue. It will take a couple of seconds. Select your Gmail account which you are using. Then click on Continue. After that, create a PIN for your wallet. Then click on Continue. Confirm your PIN again. Loading will take a couple of seconds. Then create a password for your wallet. This will help you to log in your wallet. Click on checkbox, then click on Continue. Then create a username for your wallet. After that, click on Continue. You are all ready to use your wallet. Click on Get Started. Then pin your Phantom Wallet extension. Now you can use your wallet to do transactions. Let's go back to short summary in this video. We have learned how to install Phantom Wallet Chrome extension and how to create a wallet. Now we are exploring wallet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates.